Hi everyone, here we've got GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on security and location. Now we have to scroll down again and tap on advanced, and under it we've got the SIM card lock, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, on the second position we've got change SIM pin option. Obviously we've got two different SIM slots, so it depends what on which you've got the SIM inserted. So let's tap on change SIM pin, and right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK, and here we have to enter new SIM pin, so let me enter this one, tap on OK, and now retype it. Tap on OK, and as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that after restarting your device, then it will require the new SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.